Good morning, guys. Today is the day that we are going to the desert. It will be a 3 days 2 nights tour going to the Sahara. One of the nights we will be staying in the desert. It is currently 6 o'clock in the morning and the call time is at 7 o'clock, so still early to pack my things. I don't know what to expect from this tour, but there will be a lot of people with me in the van or in the bus. This will be the highlight of my trip and hopefully it won't disappoint me. So let's go. I think it's time for me to get up. Probably see you in the bus.
Name of this village, Ksar Ay bin Hadu. Ksar means a castle, not Kasbah, castle. Ay means a tribe, the first name of Berber family. Ben, it's son of Hadu, it's the chief of this village. Hadu, who built a 6 Kasbah inside there, okay? And the first part they building, it's a granary, collective part. And the second part, the kasabas, all that part. For example, if you see the kasbah and the castle, it's different. The kasbah, be careful. The kasbah means only one big building with the 4 towers. If you see the big house with the 4 towers, it's a kasbah. It's like a small palace. But all means a castle because it's a fortified village, okay? And inside there, we have more 8 families still live there, just 8. The other, they moved to the new village because all that part is a new village. In 1954, because we have some problem inside there, we don't have water and electricity, okay? And the big problem before, it's a river. In winter time, when we have a lot of raining, they come 3 meter, 4 meter, not possible to cross. But now, we have a new bridge, just last 7 years ago. Name of this river, Wadi al-Malah.
We are walking right now towards the ancient city, and this used to be a river but it dries up. And that fortress is the city of Yunkai from the Game of Thrones. It was filmed here a few years back. This is used to be an ancient village, but now it is made for tourists. There's a lot of souvenir items you can buy from here.
Okay, inside.
It's a lot. So they have all the pictures here of the movies that was shot here, from Gladiator, Lawrence of Arabia, Game of Thrones, Babel, Alexander, and the list goes on and on. And of course, the mother of dragons was here.
Dracarys.
Green tea with a lot of sugar, beer whiskey, and saffron mixed with water. You know saffron? And the blue, indigo stones. Indigo, it's color natural from Sahara Occidental. How they make the color of scarf or jalaba, okay? Before, we don't have mobile, internet, the Berber and Jewish, they're using this technique to communicate it with other tribe. But Muhammad, they changed the idea to make this aquarelle. Now, to see just 2 colors, blue and yellow, okay? And the password, when they heat it with the fire, they change the color. Black one, green tea, yellow color, it's saffron. It's a normal paper, but before they use a leather skin, okay? And the color after, they stay fixed forever. Can leave it with water, no problem, okay? It doesn't change. He will show you the technique there if you need picture or video, no problem.
You want some picture or video demonstration? And all this is same technique and after
اسمها caramel light. خمبري. Yeah, because tea with a lot of sugar.
Yeah. Yeah, and black is green tea, yellow color saffron, and purple that is indigo.
Smile.
Smell good.
Caramel. Facebook from before, Berber Picasso.
And small demonstrations like this. In other sites is nothing. Even leave it with water like this is nothing for water. This is water and no problem for water.
Doesn't change the color.
Aqua pot.
Berber magic.
Our guide is showing us how to make a head turban out from the scarf, nomad style.
Okay. After we open the scarf like this. So we do one time, two time. Okay. One round. The most important to fix it, the scarf, good there, okay? After, we open the nose, okay? To protect your neck and your face, because it's very hot in Sahara, we make just like this, okay? When you have a lot of windy, we take the scarf from the middle, okay? We make like this. Okay? The technique is very easy. So, with your glasses, it's better like this to protect with windy when you're reading comments, and then very hot. If you need just for picture, you make just like this. Okay? The technique is very easy. When you are over there in the Sahara, the camel man will show you again the technique for everybody. Okay? Now.
This is expectation versus reality. A lot of tourists. That is beautiful here. Really beautiful. Finally reached the hotel. And I'm so tired. We left Marrakesh around 8 o'clock, and now the time is 8 o'clock. It's 12 hours, but we have stopped over to see different sites, and finally we are in the hotel. We are in Izerwali, somewhere there, and I'll show you the room. So my room has 2 beds, one single and one double. Yeah, it has a private bathroom, the sink, toilet, shower. It's actually basic room, but what this room stands out is the view. Look at that view, man. Look at that view from my terrace. And we will be having dinner from the tent later. Yeah. Good morning! It's a great day to be alive. We will be exploring the Berber villages before we head down to the Sahara Desert. Let's go!
It was lovely to meet you. Please guys, welcome to our area here. With this friend, we are in Tizgi Valley area. Please, I mean the name of the village. And please, there is more than 2,000 people who live here. But please, I mean, more than 40 people, it's between nomad families and urban families, okay? Why? Because please, like 12 years ago now, with our new government and we did Mohammed VI, so he gives hope for a lot of nomad families. Why, please, friend, of course, to help the nomad families and urban families, and as well, please, like the boys and girls go to the school and like to be near the hospitals and near the market.
Few more minutes and we will be in Sahara. We've been sitting, walking, sitting and walking the whole day. My back hurts. Am I getting old? Comment down below. Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching the Sahara Desert. Look who's excited! We just arrived and we were asked to leave our things in a room and bring just a small pack, and we are about to ride a camel going to our camp for tonight. Just look at those camels. Let's do this.
Que no hay nada que te guste.
We just reached the camp in Sahara Desert, and this is my room for tonight. I have 3 beds here in the camp. So this is the tent, and I have 3 beds here all by myself. And this is what the camp looks like from outside. That's how the camp looks like outside. It was tiring, but the camel ride was amazing. It's a must do if you are here in Sahara. It's surreal. And in an hour we'll be having dinner by the stars. Yep. See you.
morning, guys. Today is day 3 and it is currently 5 o'clock in the morning. We were out from our camp at 5 o'clock in the morning to witness the sunrise in the Sahara. Last night it was so crazy and we ended up 1 o'clock in the morning dancing and singing, and we have to wake up by 5 to get ready for the sunrise. I didn't sleep at all. It was so hot in the tent. Didn't take a shower. There was no water for shower. There was no electricity. There was no Wi-Fi. I didn't take a shower for 24 hours already. Today is the day that we are going back to Marrakesh, and it will take like 8 to 10 hours again inside the van sitting, except for lunchtime that we have to get down and have our lunch, so it will be a damn long day, but we will deal with it later. But now let's enjoy the sunrise.
What is up? I'm here again in Marrakesh. I stayed in the desert for 2 nights and come back here in Marrakesh, and tomorrow I'm going to Essaouira. So I just checked in from the hotel. It is far away from the chaos in the Medina. So I am in the Paradise House and I'll show you what's in the room. So that is the bed, a couch here, television, fridge. The best thing about this is it has AC. First time after 11 days I have AC. Closets. This is the bathroom. That's the shower, sink, toilet. Amazing. And it has a balcony. Yeah. So this is the balcony. It's far away from the chaos of the city. That is a balcony. Hell yeah. So that is the room. And tomorrow I'm going to Essaouira, spending the last few days here in Morocco, like laid back, and I just want to rest. Just came from the desert. I need full rest. So yeah. Marrakesh. See you tomorrow. Bye.